Pour condensed milk on the dried plum and make a dessert with just 2 ingredients. On a platter, start by adding dried plums to the bottom. Having done that, now on top we are going to pour condensed milk, guys. In total, I'm going to use 3 cartons of condensed milk. I'll be using 2 of them now. Now on top we are going to add more dried plums. And on top of this plum, now we are going to add 1 more carton of milk, condensed in total of 3. Having done that, now we just have to take it and put it in the oven at 180 degrees and let's leave it until it's golden brown or around 40 minutes. And look guys, how this dessert turns out to be amazing. Now we just have to cut and enjoy a super delicious filled dulce de leche. And the best of all guys, spending very little and it's very easy to make, remembering that you can also use grated coconut or chocolate as filling. It's your preference guys. At the end I showed you how I stored this dulce de leche in a glass jar. You can put it wherever you prefer in a plastic jar, but the important thing is to keep it in the refrigerator. I hope you guys liked it. This was another little recipe here from the Pour in the Kitchen. A strong hug until next time, and thanks.